Hello guys, I Arvind Mahapatra. I am back with another SQL interview question being asked by one of the product-based company. Let's jump into the question. So maybe these questions are not that much complicated question, but these are the very tricky question. So one of the question being asked by one of the product-based company. So select 1 plus null. So what will be the output of this particular statement? So it will be basically null. So output will be null. So whenever we'll add something with 1, so it will be null only. So likewise select 1 plus null. So what will be the output of this? It will be also very simple. It will be the output is null, and here also it will be null, and these are the question being asked by one of the product company. So select, suppose you want to uh, select 1 plus null. So what will be the output of this statement? So basically if we'll run it, let's see what will be the output. It will be finding one error, like we cannot concatenate the null value with 1, because null is a string and 1 is an integer, so we cannot convert the 1 to integer, 1 as an integer to string. So basically conversion failed when converting the worker value to null. So when this converting this worker value to null, data type is integer. So why here 1 is a string, sorry, 1 is an integer and null is a string. So that's the reason it's not able to concatenate these two data. So another so these are the very simple question, but these are a little bit of tricky. When you are answering this question, make sure that you are sure about the output. So another question is, how do I print star 100 times in horizontally? So this is one of the question asked. So we can do it by the help of the replicate is a function in SQL Server. So where we can able to replicate the data, replicate the data. So here what I'm trying to do. So select replicate. So we want to replicate star 100 times. So it will print 100 times star. You can we can instead of star we can use hash or any other unique character, like we can do the dollar and all we can do. So this is another question. So the next question from a table basically. So we can do it by the help of the one of the we can do it by the help of the one of the function is there in the SQL Server, and that is new ID. So new ID basically is a function system, a function that is used to generate a random a unique value of the unique identifier. Basically the return type of this new ID is the unique identifier, the number that like global unit GUID, global unique identifier. It will store the return type of the data in a 16 bytes of the data. So basically I will suppose I have a table of employee table. So if we will go select we'll just see the I'm trying to find out first row only. So here what I'm trying to do, I want to generate the random rows from this particular table. See, So this time seven employee number is 7844. So when I'm running next time 7698. When I'm running next time 7782. So basically, so this is the way to generate the random row from a table. So we'll see the next question asks, like suppose select one, what will be the output of this one? So it will generate only one row with the value of 1 only. Suppose we want to find out, select one from this employee table. So my employee table contains, the number of rows is, we can see the total number of rows is 17. This is the employee table sample data. So now I want to write a query, select one from this particular employee table. So what will be the output? It will generate the number, whatever the number of rows in the table, it will generate the same number of rows along with the value 1. See, all the value will have, all the rows having the same value, that is 1. So when it will basically, it will generate, it will generate the number of rows in the table having value mentioned. So here if we will run, if we will select 2, then um, it will generate number of rows equal to 17 with the value 2. Suppose here we are doing select sum of 2 from the same table, then what will be the output? Let's see. It's very interesting. See, it's what it's 34. So it's number of rows into mentioned value. The number of rows into mention values. So here basically it will generate the number of rows equal to 17, and whatever the value it got mentioned here, that is 2. So number of rows 17 into 2 equal to 34. And so basically, so these are the question. It's not that much complicated question, but these are a little bit of tricky question. Now we will come to the another part of the question is order by one and group by one, like how we will use these two things and how it will be looks like. Suppose I will take the consideration of the same employee table. So select a star from EMP table, and I will mention that order by one in the descending order. So basically what will happen here? So see, this is the employee table, like where we have all the employee name, employee number, employee name, job, and manager ID, hiring date, salary, and all these different columns are present. So first column is the employee name. So I am trying to sort that particular table by the first column, that is employee name, so the employee number. So let's see how it will look like. So it will be now it has been sorted out with the help of the employee number in the descending order. So this is basically use of this order by. And if you will come to the another group by, select like group by one. So first we will find out sum of salary from the same table, and we will use the this time department number. So what I will do here, group by department, will do order by 1. So it will sort the data. Okay, so here I'll just give the alias to that. So select department number, sum of salary, and group by department number, order by descending order. Order by 1, that is department number. I have sorted out the department number in the descending order. So basically, this is the use of this one in the group by and order by. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to get the new video. Live your life, live your dream. Thank you.